Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to start this beautiful pattern. I designed this pattern myself. You can use it as doily, napkin, tablecloths, and even bedspread motif. You can crochet some of this motif and join them together from here to here. I will make a video tutorial how to join these motifs together. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Okay, let's start. For this tutorial, I'm using this alize diva. The color is 453. I'm using this 2.5mm hook, and this yarn is completely acrylic. Okay, let's start. For a start, this mandala, I make a magic ring like this, again like this. Okay, then grab the yarn like this, twist it, and chain 1, 2, and 3. Count as first, double crochet. Now 15 double crochet into this magic ring. Okay, this is 1 double crochet. With this double crochet, totally 16 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, then 16. Now close this magic ring. A slip stitch top of first 3 chain here, 1, 2, 3. Here make a slip stitch, round 1, finish, round 2, chain 1 just for a start, back post double crochet around first double crochet here, insert your hook from back around the first double crochet and pull up a loop, then a double crochet. This is back post double crochet, chain 1, another back post double crochet around next, check it carefully. Okay, around the second double crochet, make a back post double crochet, chain 1, another back post double crochet around next, here insert your hook, then a back post double crochet, chain 1, another back post double crochet around next, chain 1, another back post double crochet around next, totally 16 back post double crochet and 16 chain 1 space. After 16 I come back here to close this round. Now for close round 2 we have to count double crochet here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Make the last chain 1 and the slip stitch top of very first back post double crochet here and round to finish. Round 3, chain 1 just for a start, a single crochet top of same double crochet, a single crochet into chain 1 space, a single crochet top of next double crochet, a single crochet into next chain 1 space, a single crochet top of double crochet, and a single crochet into next chain 1 space. Continue this round and I come back to close this round. For close round 3, after the last single crochet, make a slip stitch top of very first single crochet here. In this round 32 single crochet. Round 4, chain 1 just for a start, a single crochet top of each single crochet. This round is the same as round 3, 32 single crochet. Okay, after this round you have to count your single crochet, it should be 32. Continue this round and I come back here to close this round. Now after 32 single crochet, make a slip stitch top of very first single crochet here and round 4 finish.